Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to scroll wheel reset on controller AntiMicro. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To set up a scroll wheel reset function on your controller using AntiMicro, follow these steps. Begin by accessing Fortnite and navigating to your profile, settings, go to the keyboard control section, and locate building edit. Change the assigned action to mouse wheel up. Similarly, ensure that the reset building edit option is set to mouse wheel up as well. Now, switch to the AntiMicro application. Determine which keys you intend to use. It's important to avoid selecting keys already. Utilize within Fortnite to prevent potential conflicts. For instance, I choose to assign it to the left on the D-pad. Using your mouse, click on the chosen button within AntiMicro and navigate to the advanced settings. Tick the appropriate box, then scroll up and press the new box that appears from the drop-down menu. Choose Cycle, then click Insert. Scroll up again in the box, and then click Close to confirm your settings. Then go to your Fortnite again to see the difference. And that's how to scroll wheel reset on controller AntiMicro. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.